Hi and welcome to another Free.volous episode. Today I'm bringing you my Look Fantastic Beauty Box unboxing for the month of February. Yay! So this took quite a while to be shipped this time and it only arrived to my door this week. It's beautiful pink packaging, of course. It's Valentine's month and the saying in the lid says, love is like the sunshine trickling through clouds on a rainy day, inescapable and ever present. Let's jump into the contents of the box, shall we? First thing in the box is the Philip Kingsley Maximizer, a volumizing styling spray for fine and limp hair, providing volume and body. This spray holds hair in place whilst smoothing frizz and adding shine. A spray that can be used on either wet or dry hair. This is a hair care essential. Spritz into the roots for a lift and spray through the mid-lengths and ends for a volume boost. Use this on dry hair to set your style in place. Set it in place if this is volumizing. I don't know, it claims a lot of stuff. Pray for my hair. I washed it yesterday, so anyway. Quite a squirty one. It's a fine mist, although it seems squirty. Gently blow dry for maximum volume. So this is best used blow dried. I don't see much at this moment, but yeah, we'll see. I love my Briogeo volumizing spray, which is meant to be used on wet hair, sprayed onto the roots, and then you blow dry your hair and add some lift to it. I really love it. Let's see how this compares, because this probably is more expensive, if you can believe it. But we'll see. It doesn't have an unpleasant scent, which is a plus, because usually hair products smell so much of chemicals. I can't. You know, the whey stuff, I don't like the scent, so I'm that picky. Next product is the Sleek Makeup Face Form Palette. A face shaping essential, this contour palette enhances the complexion. Containing a matte contour shade, a flushed blush, and a dewy highlighter, this is a makeup essential perfect for defining your features. These lightweight yet pigmented powders blend easily into the skin, creating a perfectly diffused and healthy complexion. And I got mine in light. I assume everybody got theirs in light. We've had Sleek in the box before. I really enjoyed their products and it is kind of a throwback. So here it is with my lighting. This contour shade is matte, the other two are shimmery, the highlighter and the blusher. The blusher is not my kind of color. The highlighter looks nice, a bit light, but anyway. Yeah, and the contour reminds me a lot of Hoola bronzer, which is good. It's good. It's a good thing. So here they are, the three colors. I really enjoyed the Sleek Makeup product that we got, which was just the contour and highlighter. It didn't have a blusher. I like these kinds of palettes for traveling. I'm not a big fan of this color here. Unlike most people, I think this kind of orangey color doesn't suit me. I don't know why. Let's apply a little bit of the highlighter. I'm already wearing highlighter, so I'm not expecting... Oh, it looks nice. Yeah, it's very similar, if not the same, to the one that we got earlier. And I think the same with the contour. Yeah, it's basically the same color, I think. The other one we got is a bit darker. The contour shade is a bit darker. This one is a bit lighter. So those are the differences. And again, the highlighter, the just contour and highlight kit, I think the highlighter is a bit slightly darker, but not that much. It's slightly more goldeny, yeah, in tone than the one we've got this time. So these are different products, which is good. Nice to know. The powders blend beautifully, which is great. This is a very inexpensive brand, Sleek. You're here on my heart. Let me just take a touch because I know these are awfully pigmented. And I'm not a big fan of shimmery blushes. But on camera, that looks nice. So, it just kind of enhances my pores, I think. But there you go. Just the slightest touch and you can see the colour popping through. So there you go. It's intense. Really nifty, really nifty. Next product here is the Lord & Berry Matte Lipstick Pencil in Intimacy. Achieve high pigmented colour with this Lord & Berry Matte Lipstick Pencil with a silky smooth formula that glides effortlessly onto the lips. This lipstick pencil delivers long-lasting coverage that will last all day. Let's remove what I have on and try it out. Lord & Berry products are quite expensive and I haven't fallen in love with any of the products up until now, so let's see. It's a rosy, neutrally colour, I think. It's matte, it doesn't feel very drying. It glides on the lips really nicely. Is it my favourite colour on me? No, but I find that the formula feels quite nice. Let's see if it's drying throughout the day and I'll let you know next month what I thought of it in the long run. Woo, this is new. This is new. Everything is new to me, but you know what I mean. This is the Dukes Punk Mascara. Create fuller looking lashes with this lightweight yet smooth formula that creates long-lasting results without clumping, smudging or fading. With a brush that has both long and short bristles, this mascara amplifies, separates, curls and coats lashes from root to tip. Let's see. Oh! It's huge. It's humongous. And I have Better Than Sex mascara, which many people complain. This is bigger than my eye. Can I see that? I'll give it a go. Right now I already have mascara on because I did not check the contents of the box at all, and I should have to try it all out for you. But yeah, I'm a bit afraid. I can't help myself. Let's not judge this mascara for the application I'm doing right now because I have mascara underneath. But yeah, I'm a bit afraid of the size of this. That's what she said, but anyway. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'll let you know. I promise. Next product in the box. Oh. Ooh. Sounds promising. Imité. Rose gold eyelash colors. Curl your lashes to perfection with this ergonomically designed eyelash color. With a comfortable grip, this curved design fits a variety of eye shapes whilst minimizing risk of smudging any other makeup. The eyelash color's rounded silicone rubber pad guarantees a lasting, intense color. It's really cute. It's kind of that bronzy rose gold thing that I still love, although it's not in fashion anymore, I think. And it comes with three extra lash pads to replace the one in here. I'm not going to do this right now, but I'll try it out. I'm not a big fan of lash colors just because I forget, and I think in the long run, if you do it very often, it will end up weakening the lashes. But I'm never against having a new one since the one I have has years and years and years on its back. It's from Sephora, so yeah. We'll see. Next product and last one in the box, I think, makes me raise an eyebrow. This is the ERNO LASZLO Deep Sea Mud Bar. Harness the therapeutic benefits of Dead Sea mud with this detoxifying cleansing bar. Containing 26 minerals, this bar protects, restores and cleanses skin, leaving the complexion soft and radiant. Containing glycerin, this bar seals in and ensures optimum moisture levels whilst maintaining the skin's pH levels. Use following a cleansing oil as part of a double cleansing ritual. La la la. Use the contours of the bar to stimulate circulation and encourage lymphatic drainage. Okay, I have to check the ingredients. Just a moment. this seems a lot less harmful, at least, than the toner that we got a while ago that I can even put to my face. This does not have sulfates, which is nice for me personally, and it contains the Dead Sea mud, quite high in the ingredients, charcoal powder, perfume. Why? It doesn't smell, it's tiny, it's ridiculous. Doesn't smell of anything, but I won't open it for now. I'll give it a shot and I'll let you know. I'll keep my mind open. So yeah, these were the products featured in this month's box. I hope you have enjoyed the unboxing, although it arrived quite late for me, but I'll let you know what I find about these in a video soon. Let's talk about the products that were in the last beauty box with no order whatsoever. The banana powder by Belle Pierre. I wasn't the biggest fan. I found it a bit drying, and yeah, for my skin at least, it shows a lot of the bad things, a lot of texture, and it feels really drying. The next product were the bands, and I really like these kinds of bands. They don't break my hair that much, and the only thing is I don't use this one because it has sayings unless I'm stupid. I'm walking around the house and not leaving. If I'm out of the house, I use the clear ones that have no sayings or anything on them. The Swell Ultimate Protect and Renew Serum for the hair was quite an amazing surprise, I must say. This is really nice. I use it just on the ends of my hair because my hair is quite short, on my damp hair, and then I dry it out, and it feels really nice. It's absolutely weightless on my hair. I use just the tiniest bit and it feels weightless, but I feel it gives a little bit of softness. I don't use it all the time, but when I do, I enjoy using it. And as my hair grows longer, I find that this will be one of those things that I will go to, because I'm not that big of a fan of conditioners, because I have oily hair and it weighs my hair down, although I apply it just to the ends. And this doesn't feel like anything. As soon as you apply it to your hair, massage it in, brush it out, and dry your hair, it doesn't feel like anything. So really nice. The Dr. Paw Paw Original Balm is nice. It's thinner when you start applying it than I thought. It kind of melts away. In that sense, it reminds me of a bit of the La Roche-Posay Cicatrice LASZLO. I prefer to use this on my cuticles and things like that, but in a rush on my lips, yes, I've been using it a lot. So yeah, like it. Last product I have here is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. And despite saying priming moisturizer, I don't feel that this is that kind of a glowing primer. So it's really nice for those of us with combination skin that have a bit of oiliness but still need some moisture. I like this. It's slightly, but just a slightly blurring and slightly, I don't want to say mattifying because it sounds a little harsh, but it sets down to something that is not glowing, it's not creamy nor sticky in any way. So yeah, I think this is nice because it's delivering some moisture to your skin whilst adding a bit of smoothness to your pore area. Liked this product very much. I think I'm missing one. Which one? Please hold. Oh, the Vita Mask Gold Sheet Mask. I'm sorry, I haven't tried it yet. I'll let you know later. So yes, these are my reviews on last month's box items. God, it's hard to say. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. Before we go, and I'm leaving this for the end so that the people that stay up till the end, just those are the ones that are usually interested in what I have to say the most. I don't know when I'm going to post again. I have a pre-recorded video that will come next week, and then after that I don't know when I will post again. I'm facing some personal family problems, and I just can't focus on recording and all the faff around it when my head is not here, and it shouldn't be at this moment. So Hopefully, I will be back soon and with a clear head, not anxiety driven. I hope that everything will turn out well, but for now, when I'm talking to you, I don't know. So yeah, and I'm saving myself for the issues in my life that need my attention right now. I hope you understand. Keep in touch with me through Instagram because I will probably keep on posting some cute small reviews up on my Instagram. Those are pictures with a with a bit of text. Those don't take that much. But yeah, keep in touch through there if you'd like. But keep in mind that after next week's video, I don't know when I will be back. If I'm back the week after, those are amazing news. That's all I have to say. So that being said, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Leave me in the comments down below your experiences with the products mentioned and also what you want to see from me next. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and if you want to stay in touch with me. And as usual, thank you for spending your time on me and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!